Alright y'all, my name is Nicholas, designer and co-founder of WRLDINVSN. How we grew 4,000 followers on Instagram within 4 days. If I'm not mistaken, let me show you guys straight from the Instagram account itself. Alright, insights, here we go right here. Audience, you can see that. If you can't see it on the screen, I'll definitely add a photo on a video. Well, I'm gonna just get right into it. Alright, I said 3 things to really focus on, and this is our strategy. This might not work for you. Just at least just take a second to watch the video, get some knowledge, test it out. If it don't work, don't do it. If it works, do it. Here's the 3. Instagram ads, Facebook ads, and influencer ads. And I said it in that order because that's the way that we actually do it. So Instagram, I'll say start off with view my profile ads. It just gain up a lot of engagement with your account. It give you a lot of impressions. It just get like a lot of people to see it, which is just brand awareness. And you go straight to the Facebook ads, you retarget all those people. So I'll give you guys a quick background on how like the followers just sparked up out of nowhere. So actually in December we shut our entire website down because it was just hectic for us during holiday season, just spending time with our family. We really just needed a break from just the whole chaos of 2019. Well, good chaos, just the pains of growing a brand, honestly. So we took a break in December. Things kind of slowed down on our Instagram account because we wasn't really posting as much because we didn't have our website up, but we just started it back up January 1st, and our goal of 2020 was to double our marketing budget so that's spending up to $500 to $1,000 just on marketing per day. We just wanted to test out new things that we had been learning in December and just see if it works. So like I said, I started it up on January 1st, and as you can see, 4 days, over 4,000 followers actually. Kind of lost some followers, but that's cool too, because you're gonna filter out those people that don't want to follow and be engaged with your content and purchase your products. So that's cool, But I say start off with Instagram ads first, right? So just do giveaways or just do something to get the audience going, and then you want to promote that content. You want to put that on view my profile, automatic. It's going to create an automatic 1% audience of your Instagram following, which is cool. It's going to get it to people that's sort of familiar with you, kind of like mutual friends. So you want to just let that run, and if you just let ads consistently run day by day, Facebook builds up a profile on you and your brand, and it actually starts to get better. So if you're not running ads, you need to start like literally like today, right now, because it's gonna get very dangerous for you in this 2020 if you're not. So once you keep running ads on Facebook and Instagram, it's gonna build up algorithms, and it's gonna start to work in your favor. So it's like there's brands out there and people out there that have been running ads for years and years and years, and that's why they're on top, because it's just like they've been putting their money into it and they know what they're gonna get out of it. And Facebook knows it too, honestly. But I'll say run Instagram ads, view my profile, build that thing up to over 100,000 impressions. Just spend at least $100 within the week. You definitely gonna make that back. I say if you see that you're making it back on a daily, spend more money. The more money, the more people, more product you're gonna have to purchase, and that's gonna be more money in your pocket. Once you get a huge amount of data just from running view my profile ads, go straight to Facebook. So it's different when you run ads from Instagram and then Facebook. Facebook, you're allowed to target specific people and get to exactly who you want to get to. Instagram is more location, and like I said, the automatic audience. So I feel like in the future, it's actually going to get better, and it's going to actually let you target the specific people just like Facebook does on Instagram. But right now, we just at the beginning stage of it. So Facebook, you're allowed to create different audiences, change up the captions, just do different testing to actually see what works. So I'll say once you get the data from the View My Profile ads, right? You want to go on Facebook and you want to create an audience. And I'll definitely add this on the video to just show you guys a little bit of background and just something else for you to know and you to have under your belt when you're trying to grow your brand. So create an audience. It'll be your Instagram engagements. I'm gonna show that on the screen. Like I said, you're gonna let that audience build up. But when you go to create your ad, you want to use that audience and create a picture that they've seen before. It could be the same photo that you did as View My Profile. So they basically just keep seeing that same one over and over and over, and they get familiar with it. Because if you getting them seeing all kinds of different content and they barely know about you, they're gonna get lost real quick. There's so many different brands out here that's just flooding the internet. You wanna be able to stick to one thing or a few things and just work that to the best of your ability. All right, once you get you a nice retargeting ad on Facebook, you also wanna run it as conversions because you wanna see the purchases and the feedback that you get once you do that. Another good thing about that is all of your followers is not going to be like buyers right at the moment as soon as they follow you. You have to run ads back to those people so you can remind them on the daily and you can get them to see the products that you're actually selling and get them to be a part of your brand. So alongside of the Instagram and Facebook ads, I say influencer ads is the next big thing. And when I say influencer ads, I mean getting your products posted on someone's page with a huge amount of following and just with an audience of your kind. So it can be a model wearing your product. It can also be a media page posting a meme about you or just some type of news content, something that's just showing your brand being successful. It can be a milestone or a goal that you guys hit. You guys can get that posted in the media, in news. And then when people see other people wearing it and when they see other pages posting your stuff, they trust them a lot. That's the reason why they follow them. So if they see them rocking with your brand, then most likely they're gonna go too if they're a fan. So I say influencer ads is one of the biggest things to growing your followers. So for instance, I'm sure everybody out there know the Shade Room. So the Shade Room has a huge urban audience, and it's pretty similar to what we got going on, and they do it all the time. Fashion Nova does posts on their page all the time. That's influencer advertising. It's like you really have to do a little bit of all of it every day, because it's just like you could really get lost and forgot about if your audience don't see you or if people don't see you all the time. So I would say definitely stay on advertising. You have to have a daily budget of ads for your company. You can't be expecting to make $1,000 a day if you're not putting up no money at all for marketing. That's literally impossible. That's what I'm gonna say. If it's possible, please somebody show me. But just this whole 2019, the whole last year 2019, like we seen it for ourselves. We seen how you can go from $100 a month to $1,000 a month to $10,000 a month to $20,000 a month. You could literally go with the power of marketing, especially social media now. It's just, I think that it's kind of still at its beginning stage, but it's like people is getting on it quick and attacking the strategies and the tools that's really out there. They on it. The people that's on it, they on it. The people that's not on it, they not. So I'll say definitely just hear me out and like just try it. And if it don't work, don't do it. If it work, do it. Do the hell out of it. Actually, do it a lot, and just keep going and keep scaling from there. So if you put up $100 one day and you make $1,000 back on it, next day try 200. See the results from it, and don't be afraid to fail, because the failure gonna be the lesson. You know, you're gonna always learn something from when you fail. So I never look at it as failure. I look at it as lessons. I look at it as a win. Everything for me is a win because I started with nothing. So I don't have nothing to lose. And thank y'all so much. Let us know if we need to keep doing videos like this. I know this is a pretty short video. But yeah, thank you. Check out the website, check out the sales we got going on.